y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and I'm going to show y'all how to make a mustard sauce that you can use. I'm going to use it on a pork butt that I'm smoking for 24 hours, but you could use it on brisket, you could use it on chicken, you could use it on pretzels, a variety of different things. So this is just a recipe I got. Family member passed it down. I was like, why not? You might as well make it. So we're going to start with yellow mustard. Just get whatever kind of inexpensive yellow mustard you want, and usually use a little bit less than the cup. I'm using 3/4 cup of yellow mustard, so I'm going to put that in there, and then some honey. Put as much as you want. I'm using about a 1/2 cup of honey. I'm going to put this in there, let it drain. Now I'm going to add some brown sugar as well. I don't really have a precise measurement for any of this, but that's how much brown sugar I'm putting, man. I mean, it's, you know, I want it to be sweet. Drop this down in there. I got my brown sugar. Then I'm just going to do a little bit of ketchup. Just a few squirts, and then a few dribbles of Worcestershire. I'm going to put that down in there. And then, I mean, you could add some other stuff. Garlic powder, I love garlic, so I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder in here. And now basically what I'm going to do is turn my stove on. Oops. Turn that on, and I'm going to stir this together really thoroughly. Especially that brown sugar. That brown sugar is going to need to kind of blend with this other stuff, but we're just going to stir it here. You can already see it starting to get that that coloration that many of y'all appreciate from a yellow mustard based barbecue sauce. Now this is something that I like to do: fresh ground black pepper. So this is just freshly ground black pepper, tilly cherry peppercorns that are ground up. Oh, and by the way, the pepper mill like I use, expand this video's description, click the link there, and you can find it ordered online. It's very nice. So we're going to continue to stir this. If you wanted to add some salt, you could. If you do add salt, I would encourage you to use sea salt. And I would also remind you that most people are going to use this yellow mustard barbecue sauce on barbecue, and barbecue traditionally has quite a bit of salt added to it. So for that reason, I'm not going to add any sea salt to this yellow mustard barbecue sauce, but you know, you may want to. Now, something to keep in mind, this, when you blend everything together, it's like most any other sauce. You're probably going to want to, once you simmer it for a little bit, get everything properly blended, you're going to want to let it cool down, and I would put it in a, and I'll show you when we get to that step, a little squirt bottle. Now, I just took a quick sample of that stuff, man. I know it's not ready yet, but man, it is good. So that's just a very simple mustard-based barbecue sauce. Again, you could use it with brisket, pulled pork, chicken, pork chops, dip pretzels in it, whatever you want to do. Tell me what you think within the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain IrixGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.